Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to pair a heart rate sensor to your phone for Strava. So guys, as you can see, I made this table over here so you can better understand what we are going to discuss. So first thing that you will do is make sure your Bluetooth is turned on into your device. And once you have ensured that, just simply open up the Strava application and just simply start recording from the navigation bar down below. And from there, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on the heart rate icon or just simply select the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. And from there, just simply choose heart rate sensor. And after that, guys, the app will start searching for available sensors. And from there, guys, just simply wake your Bluetooth heart rate monitor. So this will be depending on the device manual. So just simply do some light jog in order for it to be discovered. And once it is discovered, just simply tap on your sensor and you should be able to connect it. And from there, guys, just simply select done to return to the recording screen. And from there, your real-time heart rate will be displayed during the recording. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.